Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today is a beautiful day. Past few days has been very cold. We were supposed to get snow, but we didn't, but it got real cold. So today it's in the mid-60s and sunny, and this week it's going to get on into the 70s. So Ricky's been wanting to have a fish fry. Him and Alex loves fish, so that's what we're going to do, and I thought I'd bring you along. The breading that we're going to use is we've used this before, so that's what we're going to use. So outside in our turkey fryer, we bought another pan, so because you know the turkey fryer basket's real deep, and that's kind of not safe to keep sticking your hand way down in there to, you know, put hush puppies and french fries in and such. So we bought another smaller one. So I'm going to cook my hush puppies, my french fries, put them in the oven to keep them warm, then cook our fish. The fish he got is Pollock, and I hope I'm saying that right. I'll bring you along as soon as I start the hush puppies, and as you can see I have my batter ready for that. So let's go outside. See, here's our other basket, our pan or whatever that holds the oil that we got today. Alright, it's time. Now me and Ricky both will be scooping the hush puppies in there so we can get it going. We're at 350. Give me both spoons. You hold one and I'll take one. We're at 350, but I want to go ahead and get it going, so dip your spoon in oil. Now scoop about, because I don't want them real big, and just slide it off. Do it this way. Do your spoon this way. And these will be done in just a minute. I don't even see how high it is, Alex. My son is flying his drone, and he's got it flying so high I can hardly see it. Alright, let me go get I've got a throwaway aluminum pan lined with paper towels, and I got my oven set on 200. When these get done, I'll drain them, put them in the oven, and then we'll do our french fries. I'll put them in the same pan, keep it in the oven, and then we'll get the fish battered and all. Okay, now it ain't gonna burn. Alright, time to drain the hush puppies. Rich. Okay, we got a few more to cook. But I won't film all that.
Alright, y'all.
Bye. Bye, love you.
Love you.
So now we're cooking the fish. Okay, thank you.
When does this start? You said tomorrow?
Yeah. It's got the breading on there, and it is Pollock. So the temperature of the oil's not too high because we don't want it just to, you know, cook the outside, not the inside.
Probably gonna cook like them and pull them
But,
up
you know, cook them till they're just done because I know you don't overcook fish. So we thought we'd just bring you along. And I'll bring you back when it's done. Sorry, my cousin had stopped by. I was giving her some melts, candle melts, wax melts. Now I didn't film cooking the french fries. And now it was just the frozen french fries because I didn't feel like hand chopping all, you know, real french fries. So while these are cooking, if you've watched my channel, you know I don't eat fish or seafood, but sometimes I will eat some fish. And if it's a real thin piece of fish, and I can't just eat the fish alone, I have to have tartar sauce, hush puppies, french fries, and slaw, and mix it all together. But that's only how I can eat it. Ricky and Alex, they eat all kind of seafood and fish and everything, so I will try this, a thin piece of it. And I gotta have some malt vinegar with it too. Alright, this first batch of fish is done. We're going to take it, put it in the oven to keep warm, and finish cooking them, and then I'll meet you inside for us to try it. Okay, here's our fish, hush puppies, my slaw, french fries, tartar sauce, and ketchup. So now to try a bite. That's a thin piece for me. Dip it in ketchup and tartar sauce. It's good and crispy like I like it. And the breading's real good. Ricky and Alex has already been eating on it. They like it and like the breading. So thanks for coming along. As we do our little fish fry. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all. Okay, I wanted to add, and I guess because I had all that ketchup and tartar sauce on it, this is spicy. That coating does have, after I was like, ooh, it's got a spicy kick to it. So I can't eat that much spice anyway, but it does have a good flavor. So I just wanted to add that in case you want to try it. Bye, y'all.